The Department of Petroleum Resources has introduced the value monitoring and benchmarking of oil and gas assets development in Nigeria. The aim is to make the industry more transparent and accountable in line with the vision of the present administration. Details in this report. Before now, the Nigerian government had granted incentives to help stimulate investments in the oil and gas industry, but there had been no systematic mechanism for regulatory standpoint to measure, account, and warehouse the impacts of policies in the industry. The Department of Petroleum Resources, operators and stakeholders in the oil and gas industry have now introduced the value monitoring benchmark of oil and gas projects, a move aimed at promoting transparency and accountability in line with the agenda of the present administration.
It has been a top priority of the government and the Honorable Minister of State for Petroleum Resources to unravel the mystery of the industry high costs in the exploration and production of petroleum resources. This determination is evident as enshrined in Nigerian petroleum policy, gas policy, and the 7 big wins. The highlights of today's engagement is to present the VMB digital platform to the industry stakeholders and solicit your unalloyed support as we understand there may be some challenges. The department has put in place measures to ensure companies are timely and adequately attended to when needed.
The department also released its 2017 report, which stipulates that importation of fuel now stands at an average of 45.8 million liters per day, posting a decrease of 7.8% from the 2016 figures. For diesel, 11.6 million liters was imported in 2017, a decrease of 4.5%, while kerosene stands at 1.7 million liters per day as at 2017, equal to a marginal decrease of 3.86% in 2016, respectively.
The objectives of this tool is to promote transparency, predictability through cost evaluation and benchmarking of asset development and operations data. It will assess and benchmark fiscal terms, impact on asset development, operations as a guide for policy decision for future developments. It will stimulate industry competitiveness and investment influx through analysis and valuation of producing and non-producing assets for viability and net worth purposes.
DPR says the value monitoring and benchmarking of oil and gas assets development is part of the regulatory agency's oversight function.